Today we're talking about how to start marketing your local business online. Hey, I'm Michael here from Busy Media, and I help local businesses get more customers through digital marketing. What we're talking about today is going to give you a great overview of all the things and make it clear of the steps that you're going to need to start marketing your business online. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is, of course, a business. You're going to need a business name if you don't already have one, and then you're going to need to go out and get a logo for your business. If you don't yet have a logo, you can go out and get a quick one or a cheap one from Fiverr or Odesk or even Airtasker. So go and do that, write that down. Now, the next thing that you're going to need in your business is a way to tell the world what makes your business special. In upcoming videos, I'm going to dive deeper into each of these points, and you can look at over my shoulder how I do this for my customers, and you can follow along so that you can do it for yourself in your business. So the next thing that you're going to need for your business is, of course, a video. Video is so cool to have. Everybody loves watching videos right now, and it's going to help you stand out from your competitors that don't have a video. If you don't have a video yet for your business, that's okay. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can make one for your business relatively cheap, or if not, for free. Google is our best friend when it comes to local business, and the next thing I'm going to want you to do is add your business to Google My Business. When your business is on Google My Business, it's going to pop up in the maps listing when people locally are looking for your kind of business, and in a lot of cases you may even be able to get your business on the top of the first page of Google absolutely free. The other thing that I want you to do for your business is add your business to Facebook. Get a Facebook business page, because a Facebook business page is going to allow you to do some really cool things locally and attract new customers locally that are on Facebook. Facebook's great because a lot of people are hanging out there. Now, the next and really important thing that you're going to need for your business is a website. If you've already got a website for your business, that's great. You just might need to spruce it up a little bit. And if you don't have a website yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to get one relatively cheap. But more importantly, I'm going to show you all the important aspects that you're going to need on your website so that can help you get more customers. Now, once you've got all of those things, the next thing that you're going to need is an irresistible offer to get new people into your business, right? When you have an irresistible offer or a no-brainer offer, it gives people a reason to come into your business, right? Once they've come into your business the first time, you can do your magic and get them coming back time and time again. But the hardest part is to get them through the doors the first time. So I'm going to show you how to advertise your business on Facebook as well. That's important. That one's on the list. Facebook is so good for local business targeting. They know pretty much everything about everybody that's on Facebook. They know what their interests are, okay? And if you get this right, it's super powerful for your business, because you can put your business right in front of those people that are more than likely to buy from you. Facebook advertising, it's very good. So the ninth thing that we're looking at to start marketing your business is to get more customers on YouTube. YouTube is amazing because it allows you to advertise your videos to people in a local area. It's great. It's not that expensive when you get it right, and it's going to get you a lot of eyeballs on your business. Again, we'll delve deeper into how to do that in a later video. And finally, the next thing that you're going to want to look at is how to get more customers using Google. Google is amazing when people are searching for things, for products and services. You can put yourself on the top page just by using Google Ads. So that's one thing that you really should know how to do if you want to get more customers to your business. So that's about it for this first video, a good overview of how to start getting more customers to your business and how to start marketing your business online. If you've liked what you've heard so far, make sure to subscribe so you can easily find me for more videos. And if you want to get the next update, be sure to click that bell icon, right? And you will get notified when I upload a new marketing video for you. Keep an eye out for the next video in the series about how to tell people what makes your business special. It's an important one, so don't miss out on that one. I'm Michael from Busy Media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.